Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to encrypt your PDF document with password using PDFKit library. So PDFKit is a JavaScript PDF generation library, so which works in Node.js and also in the browser. So I will be taking an example in the Node.js. So it is a very simple command which is npm i pdfkit. So just install this. I have also given all the source code in the video description. I have written a complete blog post. So if you want to get all the source code, you can go to the video description links. So let me just create this application. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to create a new directory. So I will go into my projects directory and simply I will make a new directory here. Encrypt PDF. I will go into this. So the very first thing guys I will do is that I will install this library which is PDFKit. So we will npm init-y. So this will create the package.json file in the left hand side position, and then we need to install PDFKit. So this will install this library. So now just create index.js file. So right here guys you need to have your sample PDF. Just download it from the internet. So this is your file here. Simply download this inside your local machine. So there is a download button out there. So let me move this file to, let me call this as sample. So now you will see sample.pdf file is there. So the very first thing guys we need to do is that we need to require this library which is PDFKit. And inside this guys what we need to do is that we need to instantiate a new instance of PDFKit. So we can simply say PDFKit dot. So if you can just check it, the documentation, it is also available right here at this moment of time. You can read more about it, but you can check out the source code that I have given right here. And here for this you also need to install the file system module. File system, you need to require it, and here you need to instantiate a new instance of PDFKit, and here you can pass the options. So here you can just declare a options object. So this contains a property guys which is user password. So here you can give any password of your choice. I will give 12345 6. So then we are passing this options to this constructor. That's it. So after this you can add some text to it. Hello world inside this. Then the X and the Y coordinate. And lastly guys what you can do is you can stream this, or you can also save this file also, but we will pipe it. So we will use the pipe method and we will save it like this. Write, create write stream, and we will call this as output.pdf. And just after this we will add a page to the document like this. So if you check here guys, we also need to end this. So doc.end. So this is a full application guys. Only 17 lines of code is required. So now I am in the position to run this application. So I can simply run node index.js. So now you will see in the left hand side we have successfully created this output.pdf file, and you will see that this is the output.pdf file which we created. Let me see. Let me open this file, reveal in File Explorer. So this is your output.pdf file. So now if you open this, guys, you will now see a model box. It is saying password required. This document is password protected. Please enter a password. So if I enter a wrong password, you will see incorrect password. So I need to enter the password that I provided here, 123456. So if I enter that password, click on submit. Now the you can see PDF document opens. It contains 2 pages. So in this way, guys, you can encrypt the PDF document with password using the PDFKit library. You just need to provide the user password property with your own password, and the resultant PDF document will be PDF password protected. All the source code will be there inside video description, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.